Such a magnificent building like that.
Mga natural resources.
No, that's what they're lacking, natural resources. So they're more on structures. Like, in our country, we're a tropical country, obviously. Generally, we are really. So, ang atong pagbago is our mga waterfalls, mga beaches, like Bora.
Kung ikaw pili, wala ka prefer. Natural resources sa buildings.
Natural resources.
It's not. May lahi, pili ng tao. Ano lang siya. Diba?
Because I'm a kind of person who prefer to die in a forest than to die jumping off a building.
Yeah. And not in the forest. Maybe.
No, I'd rather die bitten by a snake.
Really?
Yeah, than jumping off a building or shot by a wall.
Then be stranded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
It's better that I drown
Dan.
than
Dan.
else than be hit by a fucking missile pag yun ba? Regituyo, yun ba?
Kasi kung ano ikaw, where you are? Asa ka na nature? Desert, beach, beach. What? Sunset or sunrise?
Sunrise.